At Ocado, we never underestimate the value of streamlined collaboration. We need our tools to help people get work done, and we have development centers all over the world, and we span time zones all over. The 600 series bot is the world's lightest and most energy efficient grocery fulfillment bot. We've designed it in Onshape using the latest in additive manufacturing and topology optimization techniques. And with it, we're going to help our clients get their operations up faster, more cost effectively, and in all different kinds of flexible buildings. So we used Onshape at first in our prototyping activities, but as it's become visible to more people in the organization, it has started growing organically and it's now used enthusiastically by quite a few teams at Ocado. We make big, complex ecosystems of products, and that means there's a huge amount of collaboration between teams that needs to happen. Being able to share the real engineering information directly is phenomenally powerful compared to sending a screenshot or writing a report. You just get the product data in the person's hands that needs it. We think of Onshape like the Google Docs of CAD because we can share instantly. I can get the engineering data in front of stakeholders, senior management, procurement guys at the click of a button, and I don't need to worry whether they've got any specific tooling installed on their machines. In our group, we're spinning a new generation of our robot every 3 weeks. So it's a pure Agile approach to hardware development, and it looks an awful lot like Onshape because we get new releases from Onshape every 3 weeks and we get to exploit those features straight away with no updates needed on our side. We've brought a lot of software development methodology into how our departments run, and some of those techniques are made significantly easier by Onshape, like the CAD equivalent of pair programming, which we use extensively in our group. If you have a connected environment where two people can edit the same document and be on a call at the same time, then you can collaborate internationally on complex designs. With the API and feature script capabilities in Onshape, we can extend it to match the processes and special tooling that we need to do our jobs. So we love the core product, and we love even more that we can extend it and make it just what we need for the job.